Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more successful, more interesting and fun-filled for our students. The chapter that I am going to cover today is The Sun and the Wind of Class 5. It is from the UP board. The chapter number is 11. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is theme-based attendance. The innovation is that through the idea theme-based attendance, we transform the duration into a learning process, because most of the time this duration of attendance is considered to be unproductive. The students, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, or yes sir, yes ma'am, say a certain word from the theme selected for the day. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today, we are going to be revising the concept of degrees of adjective. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the lesson, the sun and the wind, have already been done. The educator needs to give the following instructions to the students before implementing this idea. You will be called according to your roll numbers. Today, we will do attendance to revise the concept of degrees of the adjective. Each student has to say the superlative degree of the adjective instead of saying yes sir or yes ma'am. All of you will speak in the classroom loudly so that everyone can hear you. For example, roll number Ria will say the superlative degree of the adjective large, which will be the largest or largest. Roll number 2 Priya will say the superlative degree of the adjective good, best. The same process will continue until all the students have responded. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter The Sun and the Wind. Respond orally in any language, even in the sign language, to comprehension questions related to the concept being taught. Make students aware of the degrees of the adjective. Act according to the instructions given in English, such as hit the ball, throw the ring, run to the finish line, etc. The following key points are to be noted. This activity can be continued until the last roll number. The students must pay attention to the words responded by the other students. The implementation time of this idea can vary depending upon the strength and the availability of the students in the classroom. The duration for the implementation of the innovative ideas is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio, which is PTR, is constant at 30 students and 1 teacher. This activity ensures the active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Core life skills of decision making and effective communication can be included. Values that can be touched upon are perseverance, persisting in the course of action. Benefits of using this innovative idea for children with special needs, which is CWSN, are it will improve the understanding and the response time of the children with learning disabilities. It will also increase the patience level of children with ADHD and autism, as they will have to wait for their turn. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.